Morning, guys. No, it is like you just run and then touch the finishing line. But there is no finish for continuing professional development, and there is no end for success, because we always tell success is a journey. Okay, it is not a destination. And to prove that, today we have the three most attractive speakers. I will say they are the best in their own area of work. One is in the field of manual therapy, the other in the field of fitness and conditioning and wellness, and the third one in neuro rehab. Okay, you can't ask for more. The variety in the scientific program, and today the finishing day, I am also really very thrilled to see what actually comes best out of this 5 days of exposition that we had every day. And thank all the speakers all the days. Okay, we had three speakers giving live, and then two speakers uploading the videos. And especially appreciation goes to all the students who actively participated in asking questions and submitting their screenshots to the AOMPT. Okay, and finalists, there are around 10 to finalists till now who have contacted me, and I have confirmed that they are finalists. And one video also I have received from the students. So the video is that the student actually talks for 10 minutes, gives about what is the vision for future betterment of physiotherapy. Okay, generally how physiotherapy can become better. And then the next one is how I can be a better physical therapist. Okay, that vision from the student's perspective, their own self. Okay, that is second part. The third one is about Physio Webicon. What are the 5 salient features which made them to enjoy this conference? Okay, what are the positive take home or the carry home inputs which they received from this conference? And then the fourth one is the students are ranking the speakers. Okay, so remember this, because we need teachers, we need feedback from people, we need ranking. We are ranking the students, so we should accept the rank as a student. Okay, so there's nothing wrong, and whoever wins, we know that it's the teaching profession that wins. And most important, those who are sending videos, okay, the videos will be rated by all their friends, whomever they are sharing. We are going to post the videos in the page today and tomorrow. Okay, and we'll get enough entries. So if you get 25 entries, I think I'll stop there. So don't ask me for date deadlines, it's only 25. Okay, and so you will send the videos, be ready. Okay, screenshots you can submit after the today's session. Okay, there is no hurry in submitting the screenshot today. By today you submit the 3 screenshots. Those who already submitted 12, it will become total 15 screenshots. And then the next one is how the voting will be. The student who is the speaker and also whoever is watching the video can share it unlimited in all the social media platforms, so that people can watch the video here and then contact the number given in the video itself. That is the AOMPT's number will be there, 80599342234. And then the student or the physiotherapist who is giving the vote should give with the proof. Like as we go to vote in a polling booth. Okay, so we show our ID, voters ID. Similar to that, it's the college identity card for the students, and the IAP membership card, or the hospital or the teaching faculty ID card. Okay, or if not, maybe degree or a provisional certificate or internship cards. Okay, any of the identity cards, they can show that. Only professional identity cards, not the Aadhaar card. Okay, so just remember, they have to send this ID proof and then tell that code. Okay, the name of the candidate, and that this is their vote. So I will be getting all the votes single. Okay, and most importantly, every person who votes for the videos will get a free workshop. Okay, they will have an access to one free manual therapy workshop, absolutely with certificate. Okay, from the AOMPT. So it's an incentive for the voters, and trust me, you really have to support the future. You have to empower the youth. And these students are really, I will tell you, because daily they attend, they ask questions to every speaker. You know, these kind of students are the gems, they are the pearls, they are the diamonds of the profession. Okay, and really it's a good opportunity that is given by Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists. And as the broadcasting partner, the Academy of Orthopedic Manual Physical Therapists is delighted to announce cash prizes for this Physio Youth Icon Awards. And also the quiz separate, that is the online through the HCAP website, you are going to answer, and there also winners are going to be there. If there are many in the first list with the similar marks, we'll have a tiebreaker round or a rapid fire quiz round for them also. Okay, and here also, if there are many which are matching nearby, then we'll keep another round in Zoom. So we'll have a panel of experts, four of try to see that enjoy this experience of the unique concept of contest, and we will definitely keep some maybe cultural entries or something, in the next time. Definitely we should have these options to promote the skills, and it's always nice. On different note, it's a very very important day today and also yesterday, that it marked the loss of two important people in the history of Bollywood, okay, in Hindi cinema, and also these people are known all around the world. One is known for his character roles and his Hollywood movies also he has acted, and he has won many awards, none other than Irfan Khan. And the next, he had a demise yesterday, and today the evergreen, most lively romantic hero of the second generation of Bollywood, okay, that is Rishi Kapoor. So we lost both of them. They are icons in their own style. They are icons in their own public image. So I would request every one of us, whoever is watching this video, to observe 2 minutes of silence in order to pray for their souls to rest in peace, and also may their intention to keep the India the best live within each and every one of us. Okay. It's a huge, it's a painful loss definitely for all of us, but they have paved way for better generations to follow them, their style, and movies have always given very valuable messages to the public, and our media has always been the driving force for such a large mass of the population, and definitely they'll be missed, and their contribution to Bollywood cannot be undermined or underestimated. Okay, so with that prayers for their soul to rest in peace, I, as the anchor for the day 5 of the first Youth Physio Webicon, take pleasure in inviting the Haryana Chartered Association of Physiotherapists HCAP President Dr. R.K. Mudgil sir to take over the stage and then give the welcome speech, and then further scientific proceedings where I introduce the speaker number 1, the dynamo of the physiotherapy profession. Okay, you can't imagine a single person doing so much in physiotherapy field at such an young age. I'm really very 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 thrilled and excited, fully pumped up, like Josh, to introduce that first speaker. So over to HCAP President Dr. R.K. Mudgil sir.